How do I activate my Visa gift card?
Welcome! Today, we're going to learn about how to activate your Visa gift card. This is often an essential step you need to take before you can use your gift card, but don't worry, it's usually a straightforward process.
What is a Visa gift card?
A Visa gift card is a type of prepaid card that works much like a regular Visa debit or credit card. The difference is that a gift card has a specific, preloaded amount of money that the giver has already deposited.
Why do I need to activate my Visa gift card?
Activation is crucial for your gift card as it's a security measure taken by the provider to ensure the card has reached its rightful owner and not been intercepted by someone else. The process can also sometimes involve setting up a PIN for the card, adding an additional layer of security.
How to activate my Visa gift card?
Let's get into the steps involved in activating your gift card. 1. Locate any instructions. Check the card packaging and the materials that came with the card. They often include specific instructions about how to activate the card. 2. Call the provided number or visit the website. Most gift cards have a sticker on the front or information on the back directing you to a phone number or website to visit for activation. 3. Enter the required information. This typically includes the card number, the card's expiration date, and the CVV number, the 3-digit number on the back of the card. Some cards may also ask for a cardholder name or a security code that was given with the card. 4. Set a PIN, if required. Some cards will also ask you to set up a PIN during activation, which will be needed for certain types of transactions. Please be aware that the process can vary slightly depending on where you got the card. If you're having trouble, it's a good idea to call the customer service number listed on the card or to visit the issuer's website for further assistance. That's it. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to activate your Visa gift card. Enjoy your spending and always keep track of your balance to make the most of your gift card. Remember, if you ever face any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the card provider's customer service. Happy shopping!